Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox the leg extension machine. And from the past, just from my experience from opening up and putting together this bench, the Freak Athlete Super GHD, it didn't come with instructions. And I have yet to see instructions in here as well. And don't get frustrated by that. I don't know. I don't understand why they don't have, maybe there's a QR code somewhere in here to put it together. It has this thing in it. Love your purchase. Cheers to unboxing your leg developer. Scan QR code to the right to learn how to assemble it. Okay, so there we go. It comes with a QR code, and then if you want to get your money back or you get a full refund on the machine, they're offering a special giveaway. So I never win anything, so I'm not even going to apply to that because I just never win anything. But you can't win it if you're not in it. So get in it. I suggest you do scan that card when you get it. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and scan the QR code. I'm gonna go take a look at the directions, and then we're gonna speed you through all that nonsense and get to the juicy part of this review. Okay, so now we're finishing up on the leg extension. It took me about 7 to 10 minutes to put it together, and I am definitely challenged when it comes to putting this stuff together. So you guys could probably put it together in 5 minutes. So it was really easy, I gotta say. It came with really easy directions. There's basically 7 steps, 7 very simple steps, and you're good to go. So I think you guys will be happy with the assembly of it. Some people dread putting things together. I'm one of those people. I don't like putting furniture together when I buy it. So I don't even buy furniture in that Chinese furniture anymore. I buy buy from Etsy where it's already assembled. It's usually better quality too, not particle board. So that's it. We're all set. Now we're gonna go ahead and dive into and show you how this works. Okay, now we're ready to go ahead and install the leg extender. Again, really easy to put together. So we're gonna lift it here, and it goes in the front of the machine, of the bench, and you're gonna slide it in just like that. And then there's this red lever here, and you wanna just lock that straight. Now, if it's not locking all the way, then you're gonna wanna just either tighten it or loosen it. And then you come up here to the top, and there's this bar here. You're gonna push that down to lock it down. Then you're gonna pull this clip up here, the metal clip, and put it right over the top there, and then lock it down like that. And then you're ready to go. Put your weights on and do hamstring curls and leg extension curls. And I'm gonna give you a separate review on that. But this really is a great product if you're building a home gym. I hope you guys found this helpful and useful. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.